What if you could brush and floss your teeth at the same time? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the MarchPower 3-in-1 electric toothbrush. This is a toothbrush that has the power to floss, sweep, and brush. And as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're taking a look at this MarchPower 3-in-1 electric toothbrush. Wow, packaging looks really nice on it. IPX7 waterproof. Well, let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is going to be this instruction manual right here. So everything you need to know about the toothbrush is going to be included in this and just kind of teach you how to get the most out of it. And it comes in multiple different languages. So important. Next up, these two brush heads are included. So you got options there. I guess if you want to share, you can, but two different brush heads are included. Next up, it looks like we have the plumbing for it. This should help you to connect the water flosser. We do have a charging hub that is included as well. And we got USB-C to USB-A, so being able to dock it in here and charge it up, all that's included. And finally, getting into the toothbrush itself. Look how cool this thing is, and don't forget, you can just pop that off. And this is what I was saying about the plumbing for it right here, because this does receive the water right there. So you fill this thing with water, and that way you get a water flosser. And pretty simple to activate. You're just gonna hit the button, and right here you'll see, you'll be able to get different settings out of this. And then doing this is, wow, look at that. That is going to be our water flosser mode. Whoa, technology, this is so cool. But let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the MarchPower Innovation 3-in-1 electric toothbrush with water flosser combo. 3-in-1 complete daily use set, brush, sweep, and floss in one step. Go beyond ordinary brushing with this electric toothbrush with water flosser. It combines high-frequency sonic vibration, wide-angle sweeping motion, and pulsed water flossing to clean both the teeth surfaces and flush debris between the teeth at the same time. This triple action system helps remove up to 99.9% of everyday residue for a noticeably deeper, more complete clean than brushing or flossing alone. Powerful water flossing, it cleans where bristles can't reach. The built-in water flosser delivers strong pulsed water pressure to flush out food debris from between the teeth and along the gum line. It reaches areas brushing alone can't, providing a noticeably deeper clean without adding extra steps to your busy morning. 46-degree sweeping oscillating motion, the sonic toothbrush combines high-frequency vibration with a 46-degree up and down sweeping motion that follows the natural contours of your teeth at the ideal 45-degree angle. Inspired by effective gun line focused brushing techniques, it lifts away built-up residue more effectively than standard vibrating brushes. Smart modes and timed guidance, this electric toothbrush and water flosser offers 3 brushing and 4 flossing selectable cleaning modes, allowing you to customize your routine for comfort and daily care needs. Designed for safe everyday use, it's suitable for sensitive gums and braces. A built-in smart timer with 30-second zone reminders and a 2-minute auto shut-off helps you guide a balanced and well-timed brushing routine for everyday use. And with that magnetic water tank, you can snap on ease and easy clean. The magnetic water tank snaps on instantly and is fully detachable, allowing for a thorough interior rinse to maintain a fresh, residue-free routine. And when it comes to the external water tube kit, it's not used to connect the water tank to the electric toothbrush. Instead, it is designed to allow the water flosser to draw water directly from an external water source. So this means you can use a lot more water to do your water floss. This is just an alternative to being able to use the water tank that is provided. Instead, you can just put it right into a cup of water. Its ergonomic ring design maximizes capacity while ensuring a secure grip. This combo is perfectly designed for effortless maintenance and travel-ready portability, ensuring a clean and premium experience at home or on the go. Wireless charging and IPX7 waterproof, enjoy the convenience of a cable-free vanity with their sleek wireless charging base. The long-lasting battery powers through weeks of use, making it a reliable travel companion. Being fully IPX7 waterproof, this device is perfect for the shower use and can be easily rinsed under running water, ensuring your routine remains clean and fresh every day. This is a thoughtful all-in-one gift for any occasion. This premium toothbrush and water flosser combo is an ideal Christmas gift, birthday present, or thoughtful surprise for Father's Day. Elegantly packaged and
and practical. It's a meaningful Valentine's Day or anniversary gift that promotes a brighter smile for your loved ones. Everything you need is going to be included in the box, so don't you worry. MarchPower has got you covered. So we gotta say, wow, this thing is great and definitely makes the routine a lot easier. So, MarchPower, great job.
This is our first time working with MarchPower, and I gotta say, this thing is so awesome. It's so convenient that you don't have to buy an additional water flosser and an electric toothbrush. You just get it all in one. But we want to give a huge shout out to MarchPower for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I'm today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye.